Alright guys, what's going on? I got my little helper here, which you can't see her. We're going to be unboxing a Procar seat for the Firebird. We have officially started buying parts for it. It's in the garage and we've started working on it. London, you're going to help Daddy? Okay, so we're gonna open the box, okay? What's that? Is it fast? Oh, it's cute? Are you gonna sit in it? Is that soft? Soft? Okay. Okay. Alright. Go ahead and sit in it. Test it out. Is that a good one? Uh-huh. Can I get a thumbs up? Good job. Hello? Yeah, can I sit in it? Okay. Okay. Here, I'll help you. I'm gonna sit in it real quick. Oh, Jesus. Okay, sit with Daddy. Oh, it's gonna be your seat. It really hugs the hips. Like I can't move at all. Okay.
Jeez.
Apparently she really likes the seat. So the most important thing with this one was that it has the anti-submarining hole here. So we can have our 5-point harnesses. But yeah. And that is the that's the seat. This is the exact bracket for the Firebird. Firebird, yeah. And that will allow us to mount the seat without any issues. Alright guys, let's get this thing put in. Alright, so we got this slid all the way back or forward? I would say it's all the way forward. We're going to put in the back bolt and then we'll slide it the opposite way and put in the front bolt.
Yeah, dude, my new garage is so nice, bro. I got in my car today and it wasn't a million freaking degrees inside it. When I turned on the air conditioning, it actually felt like it was working. I'm like, yep, I get used to this.
I feel like I sit up super high. I'm not gonna have enough room.
It'll probably be fine. Once.
With a helmet though?
Well, you're not putting anything up top, are you? It's just gonna be open, right?
Roll bar.
You got a helmet?
It's inside. I feel.
So you're gonna have to move it forward a little bit, probably, huh?
The seat?
Yeah.
I mean, I could drive like this. Maybe not. Oh yeah, I'm pumping out brake fluid.
Oops.
All I gotta do is that, right? Just. You guys should have seen Casey's face. He said, I'm gonna get out of here now.
Yep. I'm out of here.
You wanna sit in it?
No, I won't fit.
No, I think this would be perfect for you, dude. I think that the amount of legroom right now.
Yeah. Yeah, it'll probably work.
Oh, but you're taller than I am, so.
It might work.
Yeah, with a removable steering wheel, it'll be a lot easier to get in and out of. My hips barely fit in there, dude. I'm a fat kid. I think that if we take the rubber mallet to the side of that seat, we might be able to open up the birthing canal.
A little bit.
So when we take the steering column out to replace it with a straight, solid steering...
Oh, you got tilt wheel, bro.
Oh, dude, what?
There you go.
I just squeezed in there for nothing. You definitely can't wear a helmet in that thing.
No. It'd have to be lower.
We'll have to find a way to make it lower.
Yeah, 'cause my head already just hits right here.
Yeah.
Right now.
For me, it might be okay. But once we put in a roll bar, it won't.
Yeah, 'cause it's gonna go. You'll be driving like this.
Yeah. The seat will scoot over, too, if we loosen it up.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that might be something, too.
We can slide the seat to the right a little bit.
Yeah.
And then maybe drop that bracket down one in the back. Let's try that real quick. Alright guys, so that was basically the install. Super easy. We're excited to get going on this project. Next thing we're going to do is I think we're going to move the motor to the front. We got to take some stuff off the motor. We're going to do that off camera. But I think that we should try and see where the motor's going to sit in the car.
Yeah.
Before we do like the whole tube chassis and everything. And then we're going to jack it up, take out the fuel tank, because we're going to use a fuel cell. And then we got to get the shifter and all that out. But once we take the steering column is when we're going to take the shifter and all that out. Because that whole piece is going to come out as a unit. And then the gas pedal's coming out because we're going drive-by cable instead of drive-by wire. And then oh, it's going to be awesome, dude. It's way easier to get in with the steering wheel tilted. It feels like a race car already.
Yeah.
Like all you just need is the bar to be gone, or the bar to be there.
Yeah.
Alright guys, again, if you want to see more of this project, we are putting a 2JZ in it. We haven't shown the engine on camera yet. That'll be for the next video, like I said. It's basically going to be the fastest car that I own. And because it's not going to be because it's going to have the most power. It won't have as much power as the Charger to start. Eventually we want to build a 2J to put in it. But to start, we want to try and get 400 horsepower and be under, probably under 2,000 pounds. And as you guys can see, we're well on the way. The windshield is all the way out. We're getting a Lexan window delivered. And then we're going to tubular the front end. So if you guys could subscribe, that would be great. 89% of my views are from unsubscribed people. So I will see you guys in the next one. Oh, we need like an outro. I got nothing.